Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to change your Netflix plan. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in netflix.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Netflix if you haven't already done that and buy the Netflix subscription. But now guys, let's see what we have in front of us here. In the top left corner, we have the home, TV shows, movies, new and popular, my list and browse by languages. And in the top right corner, we have, as you can see, your profile. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and change your Netflix plan. So it is pretty simple and you just need to go and follow these few steps. So open Netflix and log into your account and click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select account and click account. Then scroll down to plan details section. And after that, where you have your plan, of course, so you have, as you can see here, I'll be muting my plan because the card number is there. So you can just click on manage membership and there you can go and change the plan. Click on change plan here. And of course, then just click continue, confirm to finalize the change. And your Netflix plan should then be updated. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.